Now, when it comes to the RV life, when you first get out on the campground, there's a couple items I consider to be basically requirements, and it's also important to buy something that's high quality, and that is your surge protector and a water pressure regulator. So this video is going to go over this brand of water pressure regulator that I picked up at the beginning of the season. So far, from what I could tell after about a dozen uses now, this is a very high quality unit to go with. Now, there are some other brands out on the market that come in a lot cheaper, even almost half the price of this one here, but in my opinion, you're going to get a couple uses out of those, and you're going to end up with headaches. So you're better off just buying this thing, spending the money on it the first time, crying once, and that way you know that you got the peace of mind going forward. Going over the features on this thing real quick, it's a pretty easy deal. When you first get out to your campground, get your camper set up, you're gonna hook this up to the hydrant. There's a little O-ring here, there's a little strainer here on the end of this, and then it comes to adjusting the water pressure. Right out of the box, you're gonna be set right around 45 PSI, so you should be good to go. You just wanna verify your gauge, make sure that actually is the case. If you wanna adjust the pressure up or down, essentially there's a little slotted screw right here on the top. You'll turn that clockwise, that'll increase the water pressure, or if you turn that little screw counterclockwise, you'll actually decrease the pressure. This is just garden hose fittings on both ends. Something to keep in mind after the first year or maybe two of using this, if you notice that it starts to leak, you'll want to check your O-ring here and make sure that thing hasn't dry rotted on you and doesn't need replaced. That is something that people commonly complain about. Most of the time, it's just going to be that O-ring needs to be replaced with a new one. Other than that though, this has been a pretty high quality unit. As I mentioned, haven't had any issues with it at all. So if you find yourself looking for a water pressure regulator, check this one out, see if it fits the bill for you. Other than that, that's all I've got for you. I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.